Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. I just came back from running a bougie errand and I figured I would do a little unboxing for you guys. I'm probably quite late to this because the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection relaunched like January 2nd. I wasn't able to purchase my stuff directly at the store like at the first leg when like everything released, but I was able to secure my stuff on January 3rd. And then one piece came in immediately, but then another piece I'm waiting for. So I was gonna collect them all together. I figured it would come in about like 2 weeks, but it is now January 16th and the other piece hasn't come yet. So I'll probably just end up doing another unboxing for it when that piece comes. They did say it's been secured, it just hasn't been shipped. And then when I asked them, they said it would take 24 to 52 days. A very specific time frame. But I love the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection because, okay, first of all, I have some original pieces. This is one of them. This is the, oh my gosh, what is this called again? I can't remember, but I have this piece and they actually re-released this piece in the regular Louis Vuitton line like maybe 2 years ago. So I have this little wristlet thing and it is hella cute. I have it in the Blanc colorway and it's in really good condition. I bought this obviously secondhand because when this came out, I was but a wee child. So I have this piece that I have right here. And then probably one of the most coveted pieces in my collection is this piece, and it is the Louis Vuitton HL. It's the mini HL. This is the original one. And yes, mine does have bleeding on the side because obviously when this was released back in the 2000s, the inside was made of this suede material. But can you believe I actually paid $400 used for this? This is right before things started getting really popular with mini bags. And I found this on the pre-loved market. It's been authenticated and everything, but it is in such good condition. There is a little bit of, you know, dirtiness to it because it is a very, very old bag. There's also some rubbing, but it is a bag that is 25 years old or whatever, whenever this was made, right? So this has been re-released since. I think there is like some updates to it, but I don't know. The original just screams amazing to me. This resales for like $3,000 now, which is actually crazy. And I do have a authentic Louis Vuitton strap that I purchased eons ago that I can use with this or whatever chains I have. So I am a big fan of the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. You guys also know I love Japan. If you haven't watched any of my videos, then I have lots of Japan vlogs. I've been there 3 times now. And also if you don't follow me on Instagram, which by the way, you should follow me there, _Hello Harley, or on TikTok at Hello Harley. I post a lot of different like Japan content and stuff like that there, or just like travel and little random food vlogs and stuff like that. So if you haven't followed me on those different social media platforms yet, definitely follow me there. But today we are going to do a little unboxing. Also, if you follow me there, then you would have already known that I've done this little bougie errand because I posted that I ran this bougie errand. So if you're wondering why it's in a YouTube bag, it's because I just was carrying this around and they gave me a bag, but this one is like real beat up looking because they like stapled it and everything. Anyways, it's fine, whatever. It's just a shopping bag. So there's that. And then I have my receipt. It is just a small SLG. I didn't purchase any of the handbags because they were not really. I would love to add a multicolor noir mini HL to my collection, but I think I want the original just because I have the regular monogram HL and then I have the multicolor Blanc, and then I think I would want the multicolor noir in the original. So that way my trio is complete instead of updating it to the new one. But yeah, anyways, I didn't end up getting that. So I did still pick up a piece. This item was $575 plus taxes, which is crazy because I've never paid more than like $400 for a clay piece before. This is the piece we have here. I didn't get any of the fun packaging either. This is just the regular ribbon. Also, she originally didn't even wrap it. She just like threw it in the bag and gave it to me. And I was like, can I still get it wrapped? Like, I like having a fun little piece, you know what I mean? So without further ado, let's unbox this little piece right here. It comes in the classic drawer. I wish they had better packaging because like I have limited edition Louis Vuitton piece that comes in like special packaging, and this didn't come in special packaging, but it was such a special item or like a special launch. So this is what I ended up getting. I got the Louis Vuitton clay in the noir multicolor variation, and for some reason all of the things came with it. There's like tags now, which is really weird. It used to not come with that. So this is coated fabric and vachetta leather on the inside. Okay, I have not placed a Louis Vuitton order in a long time, so this is very bizarre that there's a tag and it says the info number. Oh, because this used to just be like a sticker. So now they put it in here. But this is what it is. Super cute. It has silver hardware. I love the multicolor. I think it is so beautiful. And it's definitely a piece that I bought so I could collect. It says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton x Murakami, and this was made in France, which is such a bonus because I love when the pieces are made in France. Obviously, Louis Vuitton is a French fashion house, so I love it when it's made in France. No offense to the USA, but I don't like it when the items are made in USA because they are a French fashion house. Why are you making it in America? But yeah, that is my little piece here. I actually have a Empreinte clay, so I'm going to bring it out and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the key pouch that I currently have. It is the Louis Vuitton clay or key pouch in Empreinte leather. I have been using and abusing this item because I used to have the regular monogram and that one started cracking and fading and whatnot. And then when they repaired it for me, or they told me it was beyond repair, they gave me a credit. So I was able to upgrade to this one, which is a lot nicer because it's real leather and it's not as hard, you know what I mean? So this is a piece that retails for $540. It is the monogram Empreinte. The dimensions are 4.7 by 2.8 by 0.6 inches. This is cowhide leather. It has gold hardware, and obviously it has the zipper with the D-ring on the inside. That's where my keys typically go. This one is also made in France, which is really fun, but this one is like super smushy because sometimes my keys are just hanging like this and they are so smushy that this one I'm like, ooh, is it gonna break? But yeah, this is really useful. I like this a lot. I think I like it better, not that I ever owned one, but like a key holder, just because I like the fact that it is a lot more compact. Even my car key fits in here, even though it's really fat, but my car key fits in here, which is really nice. And then this one is very stiff because it is made of that coated canvas, and it was so much more expensive, $575, and only the inside is leather. However, it is a collector's piece. I plan to use this very seldomly. I'm not going to use it like I use this one because this one I use and abuse, but this one I think I'm going to hang it off of my handbags as like a charm, and that way it's not going to be used and abused as much as this one. This one is it goes in my pocket, it goes in my purse, it goes like everywhere. It even got caught in my door, like the leather piece got caught in my door, but it luckily looks like it's okay, the leather piece here. So hopefully it's all fine. I think now that I'm looking at it, I'm gonna give it a nice little refresher. But this is the piece I got from the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection, the first piece that I got. I will be getting a second piece that I will share with you guys later on, but I'm super happy with it. I know people might be like on the fence about it. There's lots of YouTubers and TikTokers and Instagrammers that are like against the re-release. I don't care. I like it. I think it's cute. And then my niblet one day will probably take these pieces because, well, I'll eventually be gone, you know, I'll die. She'll inherit them. But yeah, they're really, really cute. Now that I'm looking at it, there's like pulling on this side. It's not great, you know? Anyways, that is this piece here. Very cute. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know what you guys are looking for in the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. Let me know if you wanted anything. Let me know if you're looking for anything in the Cherry Blossom collection, because that one is coming up very soon as well. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.